Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about access codes and how to create them and implement them in Sage X3. Access codes are used to hide or log specific fields or actions, like cost prices or delete buttons, so only the right users can see or change them. They are often linked to a function profile or a user code. A function profile is a group of access permissions, and it defines what type of a task a user can do, like creating sales orders or posting journals. On the other hand, a user code is just a Sage X3 user account. So whenever we assign an access code to a user code, it will basically control what they can see and do. So today we'll try to create a new access code and then link it to a specific user. So first of all, we will go into navigation, and in the setup section you can see there is an access code function. We will click on that, and once you open the function to create a new access code, we will go to the bottom and you can see there's space to create a new one. So let's take an example, like we want to hide the sales report from all the departments and only want the sales team to have access to these reports. So let's create a new code for that. So grab it, and we have to save it. So once we've created the new access code, we can link it to a report now. So first, we will close this function, go to navigation again, and in the setup section, if we drop down there in the report section, there is a query tool function. We will click on that. And as you can see on the left, there are multiple reports. We will look for a sales report, and let's search for it. Okay, there is a sales analysis report, let's take that. After selecting this report, if we drop down, we can see there is an access section, and we have to write our code in this section. Our code was this, so the system will pick it up, and after this you can save it. So now that we have linked this code to the report, we can now provide a user an access to it. So we will close this, go to navigation, and in the setup, there is a user section. Okay, so now we have to look for a user who works in the sales department, so we will search. There is the sales administrator. We can select sales administrator, and after selecting it, we will go down. There is a section for access. Here you can see this user has access to multiple reports, or so we can add our access code here. You can also define what kind of control we want to give this user. So for that, in this case, we want to give full access, and we can save it. So basically that's how you assign access code to a user. You can also assign the code to a function profile, and whichever user has access to this function profile can ultimately have access to the reports as well.